Hi, this is Robert Gadd from OnPoint Digital, and I'm pleased to present our entry into the Online Learning Conference's Learning Design Challenge in the fifth category, Motivation Through Gamification. Great Clips is the largest salon brand in the world, and last year provided 96 million people with a haircut. We have 3,800 locations around North America, and all of them are owned by franchisees. The Great Clips University core training team only consists of 4 people who put together all of the programs and strategies for all of the trainers who are hired out in the field to deliver their programs. There are 2 main programs, a LEADS program, which is instructor-led plus online courseware, and the new Academy program, which used to be an in-person thing but is now moving online. Their typical delivery platforms have been traditional in-store PCs sitting in the back office, but in recent months they've added shared iPad devices to each of the salons, and a combination of these 2 devices provides access to the training materials for all of the store employees. The program that we're concentrating on here is the Great Clips Academy program, which is a game-enabled learning program for new stylists. Let's take a look at the end-to-end solution that make up the Academy. A variety of different content types make up a program for Academy. Game-based templates and content built with articulate storyline, plus a combination of videos and podcasts as well as interactive EPUBs, comprise the common resources for the program, and tracking is managed through various methods including SCORM and XAPI. Game mechanics have been added to everything spanning points, leaderboards, badges, levels, challenges, etc., as well as interactive game boards which make learning more engaging and interesting. All of this is managed by a backend platform, comprehensive LMS LCMS with integrated LRS capabilities for XAPI, which organize and deliver the training to all of the folks. And finally, information from the learning experience is actually combined with sales results as well as customer satisfaction information into a data warehouse using XAPI to be able to run analytics and KPIs on the overall effectiveness of the program. The core components themselves from OnPoint include a learning portal and custom GCU mobile apps. The interface itself is highly adaptive and built responsively, and as you can see here, it does a number of things to make it more interesting and personalized. When a new program is added, it appears in the interface, and it is specific to users who are supposed to be able to see that program. There are a total of 20 interactive courses, and there's inline video as well as audio in all of those courses. In addition, there are 8 technical ebooks created in iBooks Author. These interactive manuals have high-quality images and very polished look and feel that help teach stylists the different techniques that they'll need to use in their daily work. OnPoint also has an assessment engine that helps with end-of-module knowledge checks, as well as providing a way to give onboarding checklists. Here's an example of an assessment question that actually has an image in it that the user answers. Next, Great Clips uses OnPoint's gamification engine to actually define game mechanics for each of the content items as part of the system. They also use a library of badges that were custom created for them that mark achievement for each of the users and demonstrate their competencies in certain areas. OnPoint worked with the GCU team to ideate a number of game board designs, as you can see here, and ultimately settled on one that looks like this. The game board design actually looks like the stylus workstation. It's like a top-down view of that workstation. You can see the counter, you can see the chair that the person sits in, the mirror at the back of the station, as well as the tools where they put their hair dryers. As they move through and progress through the different achievement levels, they actually fill in each of those squares, and they're launching various assignments and taking assessments as they move through that. So what about project success? As you can see from the graph here, the number of courses completed has risen substantially. Because of the franchise model, no one has to take this training, so it has to be made as engaging and interesting as possible. The addition of the game mechanics as well as the new interfaces and the mobile components have driven demand substantially, as you can see here. They project by the end of this year they'll have nearly 500,000 completions in the system. In summary, we believe we've demonstrated motivation through gamification, including ticking all of the boxes across the criteria for this category. Thanks for viewing our entry, and have a great day.